How to store remote controls and smartphones in the RXB 2224 Bluetooth receiver. This process is also valid for all our other Bluetooth products. We open the BeTech. We connect to our receiver. The default password is 1234. To memorize radio control, press CH1 or CH2 and send the code. Now the radio controls is stored. To store smartphone, we go to Store Smartphone, enter a number between 1 and 50. If we want to enter more, we have to repeat the step. Now I enter one smartphone. Go to View Device, where we'll see all the stored device and the smartphone create. We can also rename the device. Okay. The smartphone create a 5-digit code, in this case 22099. We save, go back, then disconnect from the receiver. Now we close BeTech. The customer open the Pilite user application, connect to the receiver and enter the code created by BeTech 22099. And now the customer open the receiver